Welcome to the channel again, viewers and subscribers. I don't know if you remember the last video what we do. I go on the road, go a blackbeard round hole. Yeah. So today we are go out at one beach named Jack's Bay Beach. Yeah, we are go check in. We shot blackbeard and the berry blackbeard, and we are gonna just give the place a tour. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. So keep watching. You don't know, and keep supporting. So right now the power we a hike go out to Jack's Bay Beach. Yeah. So we want to tune in and keep watching, so you can see which part may take on. Yeah, just the whole environment. Yeah. So viewers and subscribers, right now we on where we are. I walk. You don't know. There upon we are walk go out to the beach. Jack's Bay Beach, we shot them berry blackbeard. Yeah, so right now we're on the same road where we did hike. We're on the same road where we did hike and go to the round hole, blackbeard round hole. The short thing usually hiding treasures them. Yeah, viewers and subscribers can check out the video that we did do. We did do it about 3 days ago. Yeah, when we hike go blackbeard round hole, viewers and subscribers can check out that channel there. That video there, sorry. Yeah, so right now we are go Jack's Bay Beach. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. So actually, at the same way we did take for I go. If you come long hole and round hole. Yeah. At the same way we did I go. But we are go pass, this time we are go pass long hole and round hole. And go round. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, this time we are going to pass here, so, and go round. This time we are going to go. We are going to take a turn off, go up here, so, and give you a view of the tower and make you see how the tower look. So this tower we are going to right now is an ancient day tower, people. Used to use by Green Castle to store things, store products, you know, just normal things what them used to grow up on the farm, like coffee, coconut, and so on, and much more things, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, so this is the little pass right here, so I take that pass here and walk, go up to where it is. So you know bother watch the bush them, viewers and subscribers. We are going right up at the tower. This is the little pass. Yeah. Right now we are going up at the tower, viewers and subscribers. Go make you see the historical Green Castle Tower. Yeah. This tower is an ancient day tower used to use by Green Castle to store things. Also, viewers and subscribers, it was a tower that Henry Morgan used to sit up on it, yeah, and spy with him glass out at sea to see when the ships them a pass, so him could have go rob the ship them. Yeah. So these are the pass, viewers and subscribers. Be a bush, pure bush. Yeah, but eventually we are going to reach up there. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. Straight up there we are going, viewers and subscribers. This is the little pass here, so. Pass kind of bush up still in our viewers. But We are going to find a way. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. So, we're there on the pass. So, walk go up to the tower now. This is a ancient day tower, viewers and subscribers. From way back in the 60s, 50s, 60s, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, so we're about to reach closer now. Yeah, so right now we are approach the tower. It's a very historical tower, viewers and subscribers. Used to use back in the days, from in the 50s, 60s, to store things, products such as coconut, coffee, and many other things, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, so there it is, viewers and subscribers. The great ancient day tower. Yes, the great ancient day tower, viewers and subscribers. So, as you can see, up at that point, yeah, that's where the great Henry Morgan used to sit with his glass and spy out at the sea. So the sea there, viewers and subscribers. So you can imagine when you're up there, you can see, have a nice view of the sea, a full view of the sea. So that's where he used to sit down and spy with his glass out at sea to see when the ships are passing. Also Blackbeard. Yes, viewers and subscribers. So all of them pass through all of this land, viewers and subscribers. Yes. So this is the great tower, ancient tower. You can't see any other like this, viewers and subscribers. This is very historical. A very historical tower. Yes. And at night, during the night time when the moon is shining, yeah, inside here light up. Because it will light up from up in that side, up in there. So this is how it look on the inside, viewers and subscribers. This is a very historical place, as you can see. Yeah, as you can see, it make out of cement or nothing like that. I don't really understand how they make it, but yeah, I just know it's here and I've been hearing about it. So today we decide to come travel and take a look at it and also make the viewers them get to see. So yeah, this is the first time traveling in here, and this is a place where it's in my community. Yeah, this is from my village, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, so I'm just the one to get to see everything, the whole view of it, and visit the great tower with me. Yeah, all of my viewers and subscribers them want to visit them place here with me and get to see how them look. Yeah. So we have some birds in here, probably sleeping here, as you can see. The thing on ground. Yeah, so this is how the inside look, viewers and subscribers. Here we have a hole right here. I wonder where up and night, viewers and subscribers. It look like something live and die. But whatever live and die, I don't even want to find out. Yeah, so this is the great tower, Greencastle Tower, viewers and subscribers. An ancient day structure, very historical to us and to Jamaica itself. Yeah. So this is where Greencastle used to store all their products. Yes. All their products, viewers and subscribers. In this tower, this building structure, ancient day building structure. You see it look like a castle, like a scene from out a movie. In the castle with the castles. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. So this is where we we had set off to hike to, viewers and subscribers. This is one of the places we had set out to hike to. So we are going to go back from our merry way now. We are going to hike to Jack's Bay Beach, and I'm going to show you where them bury blackbeard. Yeah. That's the story, guys. That's the history I got, you know, from everyone in my village. That's the history I got from them. So I'm just showing you all of this to let you guys see what it's like, you know, how it look. Yeah, so this is the tower, guys, and we're going to walk back down by the sea to visit Jack's Bay Beach, where they buried Blackbeard and his pirates. Yeah, so we're going back way down there, viewers and subscribers, way down there. Yeah, so we're leaving the tower now, viewers and subscribers. So it's tall, a nice view. Yeah, very historical, viewers and subscribers. So right now we're going to get back on the track for travel to Jack's Bay Beach, where we are going to see where them did bury Blackbeard. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, so keep watching, yeah, as we go up on this journey, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, keep tuning in, viewers and subscribers, and go and support. Yeah, and remember to leave a like, comment if you like the video, yeah, and subscribe to all those who haven't subscribed. Can subscribe, yeah, and support. Yeah, thank you very much, viewers and subscribers. So right now we're on our way back down to the main road, so we can travel, because really and truly at Jack's Bay Beach we are head for. Yeah, Jack's Bay Beach we are go, viewers and subscribers. But I just want to get to see the tower, the great Green Castle Tower, where them used to store everything. So that tower is a ancient day tower, viewers and subscribers. Very ancient day tower. As you can see, in the bush there, in the jungle, viewers and subscribers. So please support the channel, viewers and subscribers. Like, comment and subscribe. Yeah. So we are go back down at the main view now, viewers and subscribers. Yeah man, keep watching. Yeah, one love. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, so right now we're back on the main, and we are head back to, we're back on the way to Jack's Bay Beach. Yeah, and we are walking out that way there now. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, so we're back on the main. Basically at the same road we did walk to come round wall. You know, the last video we do. You guys can check out that video, hiking to Blackbeard treasure hole. Yeah, it's a big round hole and full of seawater. So you guys can check out that video. Yeah, and remember to like, subscribe, and comment, viewers and subscribers, if you all like the video. Yeah, so we're on our way. I go out to Jack's Bay Beach. Yeah, so check it out, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man. Yeah, so we're on the road. We're on the road, I walk now, viewers and subscribers. I go out that way. Yeah, and we are going to take straight on the main, viewers and subscribers. I don't know if you know that like me walk on the sea. I'm going to travel the seaside, viewers and subscribers. So, in the meantime, you can get to enjoy the view and see the beauty and everything. Yeah. So there is two ways, viewers and subscribers, on the main road and through this bush, through the shortcut here. Right? But we just go take the shortcuts because you know a hike we a hike. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, a hike we a hike. So we are going to take the shortcut and do it the hiking way, viewers and subscribers. I don't care where I drive, so I'm not travel on the road. Yeah, hike we a hike. So viewers and subscribers, right now we're back on the seafront, as you can see. And we're head to Jack's Bay Beach. Also viewers and subscribers, all of this that you see here, viewers and subscribers, all of here so is where the pirates used to roam, viewers and subscribers. Yeah. All of this place here is great history. Is a part of our history. Real true story about the pirates of the Caribbean. Great Blackbeard and Henry Morgan, who discovered many things in the island in the Caribbean. Yeah. So all of this, viewers and subscribers, all of here so was once pirate zone. Yeah, it's a part of our history. So right now, may I take a pass go round. Yeah, look. Pass here look difficult, but we are gonna make it through. I know nothing hard, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, we are walk round. Yeah, I want to drop in our viewers and subscribers, so I have to hold on good. Yeah, so I hike, we are hike, so we have to take the original way. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. We are walk on the seafront. As you can see, I have a skill for do this. Yeah, viewers, so we make it up that little obstacle there. Yeah, I will be back on a clear view now, viewers and subscribers. Yeah. So we are head out to Jack's Bay Beach right now, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, and we're up on a hike to the viewers and subscribers. Yeah. Right now, we're on a different series. Yeah, a different season of farming with Rasta. So in this season we are going to be doing hiking videos, viewers and subscribers, and fishing, and some fishing videos, viewers and subscribers. So if you like fishing adventures and hiking adventures, yeah, you can support our video. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe, of course. Yeah, if you like the video. So right now we are hike to Jack's Bay Beach. Yeah. Right on the beach front. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. You don't know. We have a man of a little boat here, so viewers and subscribers. Yeah, so we are going to go down here, so viewers and subscribers. Alright, here, so we are going to travel. So yeah, viewers and subscribers. So we almost reached, viewers and subscribers. Look at that hole. When there's something live down in night, viewers. The hole here look deep. Anyway, I travel on to Jamaica way. Wow. Look at this, viewers and subscribers. So we buck up on an underneath cave in some stone, the little tree. This look nice, like a nice little chill spot. Oh, this look like a nice little chill spot, viewers and subscribers. This looks something like, you know, from out of Pirates of the Caribbean itself. Nice little cave chill spot, viewers and subscribers. Yeah. So we are going around this side. going around this side, viewers and subscribers. Yeah. So we almost reached Jack's Bay Beach, viewers and subscribers. Right now, we're about to reach around there. I mean, plenty of people around there. Yeah. So that's where Jack's Bay Beach is, viewers and subscribers. Right over there. That little spot you see over there. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. So that's where we're going, over there. And we are taking a little pass here, so we'll go down. Yeah. So most of the way we have to hike, viewers and subscribers. This is the pass we used to hike. So, for all those who love hiking, so right now, we're there right now, we're there Jack's Bay Beach, viewers and subscribers. Yeah. This little area right here, so viewers and subscribers, we call Jack's Bay Beach. You see it rough? Yeah, all I hear, so I used to Blackbeard territory. Yeah, all I hear, so Blackbeard territory, viewers and subscribers. All of this way I look for right now. Yeah, Blackbeard used to run off all in quarters here, viewers and subscribers. A theme place this. Yeah. Out here, so him bury one of him treasure. Right out here, so I'm going to show you exactly where. I'm show you exactly where him buried. I'm going to get to see. Yeah, so all who want to come search for it, you can come search for it. See if you don't find it. Me know me not going to try, because I know me put it there. So, but if anyone want to try, you guys can try. Alright? Yes, so I'm going to show you where them say him bury him treasure. Yeah. Right now we are pull up on the spot, viewers and subscribers. Right at Jack's Bay Beach. Yeah. Right at Jack's Bay Beach, viewers and subscribers. We are pull up. Right where Blackbeard, them bury Blackbeard by him body and left him head out. So when the tide come in, it cover him. Yeah. And this is where him also hide most of him treasure chests. Most of him treasures them. Yeah, in another area here him hide. Him hide them. And many other treasures to viewers and subscribers, because this place was once a pirate territory, viewers and subscribers. Yes, pirates used to roam all these places, viewers and subscribers, as you can see. Yeah, we're on the beachfront. And this is no false news, viewers and subscribers. This was once pirate zone. Yeah. So we're about to reach right where we hide the treasure chest. Yeah, viewers. So we are going right up to the area where them say him hide him treasure chest, them viewers and subscribers. Right up there we are go. Yeah, viewers. Nice view from Jack's Bay Beach, where Blackbeard was once in this area. Yeah, all the pirates was once in this area, viewers and subscribers. So this area is a great part of our history. And right now, I'm about to show you where them say Blackbeard bury him treasures them. Bury one of them treasure. So this right here, so viewers and subscribers. Yeah, as you can see. This little structure right here, viewers and subscribers. Right? This is an ancient day structure, viewers and subscribers. As you can see, it's not just some normal. It's not just a normal thing, viewers and subscribers. Yeah? So we have a hole go right down. This hole go right down into the earth, viewers and subscribers. As you can see, this structure right here was built a long time ago, viewers and subscribers. See, it have whole ear pocket. So this structure go right down, viewers and subscribers, and this is where they say Blackbeard. This is where they said Blackbeard hid what had hidden one of his treasures. Right at this spot, viewers and subscribers. But no one was ever there to come and search for this treasure. I don't know why, viewers and subscribers. Everybody come, have to turn back and leave it. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, this structure here. I'm just giving you a quick look. Yeah, so you guys can see where he hid his treasure. Yeah, and that hole right there go way underneath, viewers and subscribers. Way underneath. So this was a spot was that Blackbeard had hidden all his treasures, viewers and subscribers. As you can see, we have many other historical structures. Yeah, many other historical structures, viewers and subscribers. This was built from back in the days. Yes, back in the days building this, viewers and subscribers, way back. I'm going to show you guys another structure where them say it's also a historical structure. Built from way back in the days, viewers and subscribers. Yeah. So we are going to show you that. We already go Jack's Bay Beach. Make you see how it look. Where them bury him and so. I don't know exactly where them bury him still, viewers and subscribers. So, you know, younger can show you the beach where them say them bury him. Yeah. So right now, we are going to show you the old structure, viewers and subscribers. The ancient day structure, where this structure built from way back in the days, viewers and subscribers. See it right here, so. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. So this is our next historical structure. Yeah. This structure was built by some ancient day people, viewers and subscribers, way back. This structure goes way back, viewers and subscribers. As you can see, it's right on the seafront. Pirate territory, viewers and subscribers. This was all once pirate zone, Blackbeard zone. Yes, and Henry Morgan also was here once too. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. So this is it, viewers and subscribers. This is all it. This is a part of our history. Yeah, and I wanted you guys to see it. So right now, as you can see, the sun will go down, so we have to hike back to the village. So we have to be on our way now so we can reach back in time. Yeah. So this is it for this video, viewers and subscribers. So remember to like, comment and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, and so we're going to head back now and see if we can hike back in time, viewers and subscribers. Thanks for watching the video, and thanks for supporting, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, so we'll see you guys in the next video. The next video where we are going to do, viewers and subscribers, we are going to go to Kwame Falls. Yeah, I don't know if you ever hear about Kwame Falls. That also is another very historical place. Yeah, Kwame. Kwame was a runaway slave, was also too a runaway slave. And this falls is where he used to go and hide. Yes, he used to hide at this falls. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to go at this falls, viewers and subscribers, and make you see how it look. Right? Yeah. So remember to keep watching, viewers and subscribers, and keep supporting. Yeah, so you can see the next video when I go at the falls. And this video I got nice, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, that video are going nice because we have plenty of historical structure and we're gonna have some nice views. Yeah, cause right on the seafront to viewers and subscribers. Yeah. So remember to keep watching viewers and subscribers and keep supporting. Yeah, thanks. And one love.